Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating on the DIY Christmas Centerpiece Challenge hosted by Measure Mix and Simple Yet Chic. Today we're doing a centerpiece and for that we are going to use these deer ornaments I found at Walmart. This Christmas trees I bought at the dollar store. I found it for $1.99. I'm sure you can find these ones at the Dollar Tree for $1. We're going to use two of them. We are going to use some floral. I bought this one and this one from the dollars, and I bought this burlap poinsettias from Walmart. Also, I'm planning on using this Christmas wood stake for the sign, not the long part. And we're gonna need some of these branches. You find this at the dollar store or Walmart. And for the base, I'm gonna use this wood slab. And my colors are in red, so I'm planning to change this for this. Okay, so let's get started. Now we're gonna change this part for the blue pencil that we are using. It's the same material as you can see. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap this one around the same way it was and take this bell off here and add it to our deer. Just like that. You see? Same thing, but in blue. Now I have my two reindeers done. Look at them. They go with my theme. And what we're gonna do is put them like this and start adding to our centerpiece some ribbon. And this is how our centerpiece turned out. As you can see, there you have our reindeers, our little sign. It doesn't show much, but I like it the way it's looking. Our wood slab, our poinsettias, and I arranged that with two beautiful candle holders. Let me show you with the candles. And here is how it looks with the candle holders and the candles. I just love how this turned out. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link for the playlist and also to our host channel. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.